Hi everyone, it's great to see you. I just wanted to give you a really quick update of one of the hydrangeas that I propagated. So this particular hydrangea was a cutting from a bush that was in my yard that I loved, and I know that that bush does not bloom very well if we have a tough winter. So last year I showed you in a video a little cutting that I took and I planted it up. I overwintered this pot with that cutting in the shed, and look at how gorgeous it has done. I am so thrilled. So its mama plant that is planted in the ground did not bloom this year because we had such a harsh winter. But its little cutting that was in the shed and protected for the winter has done beautifully. And now I know I'm going to get this gorgeous purple hydrangea every year because I will be keeping this pot in the shed in the future. So if you are playing around with propagating your hydrangeas, this is a great time of year to actually take a cutting from your plant and give it a try. So I'll link below the video where you see me take this cutting actually, and see if you can do that. Let me know how it goes. Just wanted to share with you a success here. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.